class, today we will read chapter 10, that is motion and measurement of distance. This is a chapter of physics. Science is divided into three parts. Okay, bio, which is related to life and living organisms, and chemistry, which is related to chemical substances, and third is physics. In physics, we read about electricity, motion, magnets, etc. Okay.
Also about circuits.
Yes, about circuit. In electricity, circuits will come. So today we will read chapter 10, that is motion and measurements of distance. Today is our reading session. Okay. So you will read the chapter.
Can I read the chapter? Ma'am, can I read the chapter? Chapter 10, Motion and Measurement of Distance. There was a discussion among the children in this class about the places that visited during the summer vacation. Someone had gone to their native village by train, then a bus, and finally a bullock cart. One student had traveled by an aeroplane, another spent many days of the holiday going on fishing trips in simple boat. The teacher
Wait. So, in chapter 10, we are reading about motions and measurement of distance. How we can measure distances, how we can move, what is the different types of motion. So, we will read more about it in this chapter. Okay. Then there was a general discussion among the children in Paheli and Bujo's class. So, Paheli and Bujo is reading motion and measurement of distance, and there was a discussion that how they visited different places. Okay, how many distance they travel, how they move, what are the different types of motion they have. They have discussed all the things in their class. So someone had gone to their native villages by train. They think that someone had gone to their village by a train and someone by bus. Okay, someone go to their village by bullock cart and anything else. आप बस से भी जा सकते हैं, कुछ लोग बाइक से भी जाते हैं. ठीक है. So one student had traveled by an aeroplane, and they thought that one student, one classmate traveled to their village or by any other place. ठीक है, any other place by an aeroplane. So another spent many days of his holidays going on fishing trips in his uncle's boat, and someone used boats to travel. So they are using different items, different vehicles to travel from one place to another place. So they are thinking, why do we travel from one place to another place by using aeroplane, bus, okay, etc. Next, Manas, stand up and start reading. Speak loudly.
The teacher then asked them to read the newspaper article that mentioned about the small wheeled vehicles that move on the side of Mars and conducted experiments. These vehicles were taken by a spacecraft all the way to Mars. Meanwhile, Paheli had been reading stories about ancient India and wanted to know how people traveled from one another in earlier times.
Yes, sit down.
Background.
The teacher then asked them to read newspaper articles. So teachers asked them to read newspaper articles. You know what is newspaper articles? Okay, the headline which is given in newspaper. So that mentioned about small wheeled vehicles that move on the soil of Mars. You know that satellite that travels on Mars. Okay, so the teachers asked them to read newspaper articles. In newspaper articles they have knowledge about how astronauts travel to Mars, to the moon. Okay, so these vehicles were taken by spacecraft all the way to Mars. ये जो vehicles होते हैं कौन ले जाता है? एस्ट्रोनॉट ले जाते हैं कहाँ पे? स्पेसक्राफ्ट वाले जो लोग होते हैं वो ले जाते हैं मार्स तक पहुंचने के लिए या मून तक जाने के लिए. Meanwhile, Paheli had been reading stories about ancient India and wanted to know how people traveled from one place to another in earlier time. You know, in earlier time there were no vehicles. They traveled through bullock carts. ठीक है, बुलक कार्ड्स होते थे, उससे पहले बुलक कार्ड्स भी नहीं होते थे. ठीक है, so Paheli wanted to know how people travel earlier times. She wanted to know. Okay, so we will read about it in this chapter. Next, Danis, start reading. Story
Yes,
of
ma'am.
transport.
The story of transport 10.1. Long ago, people did not have any means of transport. They used to move only on foot and carry goods on their back. Later on, they began to use animals for transportation. For transport through water, roads, boats were used from ancient times. To begin with, were simple logs of wood in which a hollow cavity would be made. Later, people learned to put together different pieces of wood and give shapes to the boats. These shapes imitated the shapes of animals living in water. Recall our discussions of this streamlined shape of fish in chapters 8 and 9.
Okay,
Invention of
okay, beta, wait. Now, story of transport. So we will read about how people travel from one place to another place in earlier time and now in a day, in modern time also. Okay. So long ago, people did not have many means of transport. In earlier times, people travel from one place to another place, but they did not have any means of transport. ठीक है, कोई ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं था उस टाइम पे. They used to move only on foot. They used to move only on foot. वो foot से चल के जाते थे. And they carry goods on their backs. They carried their goods on their back. ठीक है. Later on they began to use animals for transportation. बाद में क्या हुआ? They used animals for transportation. ठीक है. Animals carry them and also carries loads on their backs. ठीक है. आपने डोंकी को देखा होगा. वो भी बैक पे हॉर्स यूज करते थे. बुलक कार्ट. They are using bullock carts to travel from one place to another place. For transport through water, routes, boats were used from ancient time. So from ancient time से transport के लिए transportation they use water transport, routes मतलब land transport and boats. ठीक है, for movement from one place to another place. To begin with, boats were simple logs of wood. अब यहाँ से start किया, boat से start किया. You know that boat is made up of wood. They are the simple logs of wood. Logs of wood मतलब wood से बनाए जाते हैं, wood के parts, wood को काट के बनाए जाते हैं. ठीक है. In which a hollow cavity could be made. Hollow मतलब आधा. ठीक है. Hollow cavity देखो circle जो होता है वो पूरा होता है. ठीक है. Circle, if you made a circle, ये आपका क्या होगा? Complete circle. And ये hollow हो गया. So board भी आपकी इसी shape में होती है ना? So boards were made up of wood and in which a hollow cavity could be made. Later people learned to put together different pieces of wood and give shapes to the board. बाद में क्या हुआ? People learned to they are using wood. We have discussed how fish moves. ठीक है, how movements takes place in fish. We know that fishes uses is streamline shaped body. ठीक है, fishes have streamline shaped body. Why? Because of their movement. ठीक है, movement के लिए उनकी बॉडी किस तरह की होती है? स्ट्रीमलाइन शेप की होती है, मतलब टेपर्स एट बोथ एंड. ठीक है. So we have discussed in chapter 8. Now invention of the wheel. Stand up, Anushka. Start reading.
For transport of water to roads, boats were used from ancient
From where
times.
you are reading, beta?
From second paragraph.
This one. Invention of the wheel.
Invention of the wheel made a great change in modes of transport. The design of the wheel was improved over thousands of years. Animals were used to pull parts that move on wheels. Until the beginning of the 19th century, people still depended on the animals, boats, and ships to transport them from place to place. The invention of steam engine led to the development of new means of transport. Railroads were made for steam engine-driven carriages and wagons. Later came
automobiles.
Automobiles such as motor cars, trucks, and bus.
Sit down. Sit.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Next, Gauri Sinha.
Yes ma'am.
Start reading, beta. From this line, motorized boats and ships.
Okay ma'am. Motorized boats and ships were used as means of transport on water. The early years of 19,000 saw the development
1900, beta. It's 1900, not 1000.
1900 saw the development of aeroplanes. These were later improved to carry passengers and goods.
Yes.
Electric trains, monorail,
Monorail.
supersonic aeroplanes, and spacecraft are some of the contributions of the 20th century. In figure 10.1 shows some of the different modes of transport. Place them in the correct order from the earliest mode of transport to the most recent. Are there any of the early modes of transport that are not in use today?
Okay, great. So, in earlier times, if you see this figure 10.1, there are some means of transportation. See figure 10.1, there were bicycle, aeroplane, ship, bullock cart, buses, bus and train. Okay, there are several means of transport. So, until the we know that first wheel was invented. ठीक है, पहले टाइम पे क्या था, wheel आया था. It made a great change in modes of transport. By using wheel, we make bullock carts. Bullock carts इस टाइम बना लेते थे, ठीक है. And the design of wheel was improved over thousands of years. It was improved from year to year. ठीक है, जैसे आपका नया ईयर आया तो वो इम्प्रूवमेंट होने लगी. Sit properly. ठीक है. Animals were used to pull carts that moved on wheels. If you see this figure, that bullock cart. Okay, so this is a wheel and animals are pulling the wheel, the cart. Okay, animals are pulling the cart that moved on wheels. So you know that during the means of transport, wheel was first invented. Okay, and next thing that until the beginning of 19th century, people is still dependent on animals. फिर 19th century जैसे begin हुआ, then people start depending on animals, boats, ships to transport them from one place to place. For their movement from one place to another place, they are depending on animals, boats and ships. इन सब चीजों पे depend होने लगे. The invention of steam engine led to the development of new means of transport. फिर इसके बाद क्या आया, steam engine आया, ठीक है, जो भाप से चलता था. steam मतलब भाप, ठीक है, vapor. Then railroads were made for steam engine. फिर railroad बनाई गई जहाँ पे steam engine चलने लगी. And later came next automobiles. Then came automobiles. Automobiles means the motor cars, trucks and buses we are using. Nowadays we are using automobiles, or we are using cars, buses, trucks to move from one place to another place. Okay, so motorized boats and ships were used as means of transport and water. You know that boats and ships are the means of water transport. Okay, water transport है. And the early years of 1900 saw the development of aeroplanes. 1900 में आपका क्या आया, aeroplanes का development हुआ. Aeroplanes were invented. ठीक है, and these were later improved to carry passengers and goods. And फिर वो improvement हुई इसमें, और they are aeroplane में क्या होने लगे, they are carrying passengers and their goods. ठीक है. Then came electric trains. You are knowing that metro train is yes nowadays. ठीक है. So electric trains, then monorail, supersonic aeroplanes, spacecraft. These are the some contribution of 20th century. ठीक है.
Ma'am, difference between supersonic aeroplane and aeroplane?
Ma'am.
See figure 10.1. There are different means of transport. ठीक है. So in this figure you have to answer this question, that are there any are there any of the early modes of transport that are not in use today? Ma'am, bull cart. Yes.
No.
Yes, bullock cart. But sometimes you see bullock cart in villages. Yes. Okay.
एक bullock cart, then a ships, then cycle, then a jeep, and then bus, and then a
Okay, very good. Yes, Darshan. Can you tell me the order of all the means of transport which is given in 10.1?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, class.
Ma'am, can I?
Don't say can I.
First bullock cart, then ship, then cycle, then train, then bus and aeroplane.
Oh, good. Okay, now.
Excuse me.
Yes, Pita.
So how far they have traveled? How will you know whether you can walk all the way to your school or whether you will need to take a bus or a rickshaw to reach your school? When you need to purchase something, is it possible for you to walk to the market? How will you know the answer to these questions? It is often important to know how far a place is so that we can have an idea.
It is
how
often,
we
it's not often. It is often. T is silent.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. How we are going to reach that place will take a bus or a train, a ship, an aeroplane, or even a spacecraft.
Okay,
Something
wait. Yeah, Anshika, wait. So how wide is this desk? You are seeing desk in figure 10.2. Okay, so he is saying that how wide is desk? Is this desk? कितना बड़ा हो सकता है, कितना चौड़ा हो सकता है? So how did people know how far they have traveled? So how they know that how many distance they travel? Okay, how will you know whether you can walk all the way to your school or whether you will need to take a bus or a rickshaw to reach your to reach your school? Okay, so how did you know how much distance you travel when you are coming to school? Yeah, any other places. So how will you know that how much distance we have to cover to reach our school? Okay, so how will you know the answers to these questions? So is it possible for us to answer these questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, nowadays it's possible. So it's often, not often. Okay, T is silent in often. It is often important to know how far a place is. So it is important for us to know how far our school is and how much distance we have to travel to reach our school. We can now so that we can have an idea how we are going to reach that place. Walk, take a bus or a train or a ship, an aeroplane or even a spacecraft. अब हमें distance पता होगी तभी तो हमें पता चलेगा कि हमें ट्रेन से जाना है कि वॉक करके भी जा सकते हैं कि शिप से जाना है कि spacecraft से जाना है. Okay, we have to know the distance, how much distance we have to cover it. ठीक है? Okay, Stuti, क्या नाम है? Arpita, start reading. Arpita, start reading.
Sometimes there are objects.
Speak loudly.
Sometimes there are objects whose length or width we need to know. In Paheli and Bojo classroom, there are large desks which are to be shared by two students. Paheli and Bojo share on one desk, but
Frequently.
and objecting that the others is using a
Larger.
larger share of the desk.
Sit. Sometimes there are objects whose length or width we need to know. Okay, sometimes we have to observe whether the table is large enough, whether the table is small. So we have to know. Okay, its size and shape. And in Paheli and Bujo's classroom, there are large desks which are to be shared by two students. So in Paheli and Bujo class, there are two students who are sitting on a desk, and they want to know its size and shape. They want to know the size and shape of the desk. ठीक है? And which is Paheli and Buju share one desk but frequently end up objecting that the other is using a larger share of the desk. कि पहली और बुजू ने क्या किया, एक डेस्क को शेयर किया, मतलब एक सीट पे दो लोग बैठे, ठीक है, बट फ्रिक्वेंटली एंड अप, और फिर उन्होंने देखा कि अदर इज यूजिंग अ लार्जर शेयर ऑफ डेस्क, कि बाकी लोग जो है वो ज़्यादा डेस्क का शेयर यूज कर रहे हैं.
Hello.
Don't say can I will call your name. Beta this line on the teacher's suggestion.
On the teacher's
Suggestion
they
decided
to
measure
measure the length of the desk, make a mark exactly in the middle of it and draw a line to separate the two
halves
halves of the desk. Both Paheli and Bujo are very fond of playing gilli danda with their friends. Bujo brought a set of gilli and danda with him. Here is how they tried to measure the length of the desk using the danda and the gilli, figure 10.2.
Okay, sit. So on the teacher's suggestion, they decided to measure the length of the desk, make a mark exactly in the middle of it, and make a draw a line to separate the two halves of the desk. फिर उन्होंने क्या किया? They want equal parts of the desk. Okay, they want to share equal parts of the desk. So they on the teacher's suggestion, they decided to make a mark on the table and draw a line to separate two equal halves, to separate desk into two equal halves. ठीक है? Now both Paheli and Buju are very fond of playing gilli and danda with their friends. फिर उन्हें गिल्ली डंडा अपने फ्रेंड के साथ खेलने का मन हुआ, and they brought a set of gilli and danda with him. ठीक है? So here is how they try to measure the length of desk using danda and gilli. अब वहाँ पे वो डंडा और गिल्ली का यूज करके desk को measure कर रहे थे. They do not have scales. At that time we don't have scales. Scales were not developed. ठीक है? Were not invented at that time. So they were using gilli and danda to measure the length of desk. ठीक है? Surya, Devansh, stand up. Speak loudly. Have you taken your breakfast? Breakfast किया है ना? So speak loudly.
Desk seem to have been having a length equal to the two danda length and the two length of the gilli. Drawing a line in the middle of the desk leaves each of them happy with half of the desk equal to the danda and a gilli in the length. After a few days, the marked line gets
Wiped.
out. Bujo now has the new seat of the
Set, beta. It's not sit. Set.
set of the gilli and danda as he lost his old ones. Here is now how the length of the deck seems to the measure using the gilli and danda. Figure 10.3.